Hang on a second. It's Andrew here for Just for Laughs Trivia. Hey, look, you might have noticed that there might be a bit of a wall missing here at the lounge. Basically, the whole restructuring project is underway here. We're getting a whole lot of renovations happening, but the thing is that Just for Laughs Trivia is still going on at the lounge. It's just a little bit of reduced seating, and you can hear people cheering about the fact that it's still going on. So here's the thing. We start dead on 7 o'clock, right? You've got to be in here seated and ready to go. And you could walk away with $100 cash, even though it's free to play. And the spectacular thing about that is you could score 0 and still win $100 because put everyone's name in a hat and draw it out. It's not really a hat, it's a barrel. But no one's going to score 0 because I have right here 3 questions in advance. So here you go. You can look these up, bring the answers in with you. Ready to go? Question number 1. Does the game Baccarat involve dice, cards, or a wheel? Question number 2. Before founding the Foo Fighters in 1994, I guess he founded them, Dave Grohl had been the drummer for which iconic grunge band? And finally, what is the term for a verb that only makes sense if it exerts its action on an object or person? So is it a perfect verb, a definitive verb, or a transitive verb? That's one for the older generation, I think. For the younger generation, anyone under 20, a verb is a doing word. Anyway, that's good. Here we go. So folks, tonight, 7 o'clock, absolute free play. Goes for about an hour and a half. Whatever you do, don't walk into the wall.